Okay, hello folks, this is Daniel again, Clean Max Exterior in Framingham, Massachusetts. And today I'm going to be cleaning more brick patio or walkway with moss. Actually, I came for the siding, then there's a poolside on the back, which I am supposed to clean, and half of it's like this brick with moss in between the lines. So, and this brick was an upsell. This walkway here, and this one, and then I went ahead and upsell the roof as well. So it's a pretty decent size job, just one location. I had another job today earlier this morning, but it got canceled. So thankfully I got these upsells, and I'm gonna be here for quite a while because moss on a brick, it's tedious work. So yeah, gonna get to it. Okay, I did the roof and the entire front side of the house. I'm gonna do the walkways. Let's see how long that takes. It's about 120. Yeah, 120. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Okay, all done with this. That took roughly about 35 minutes. So nothing too bad. Okay, now they just gotta come in and do the sanding for the brick, which again I don't provide. I need to come back and clean this wall here. But I'm thinking of doing the pool side in the back, because it's most of it is brick, and as you can see, there's no way to clean this without making a mess. So I'm not so sure about cleaning the pool side in the back. We'll see. Okay, so this wall here has an interesting pattern. I think either somebody or the previous owners of this house painted the siding, or they came ahead and pressure washed the siding and they messed up the siding because it has a lot of oxidation. My guess is that they just painted the siding. That's what I think. They gave it that look. See, it seems intentional, so maybe they painted it. So after that, I'm going to be doing this next with the surface cleaner. And there's the patio with the brick floor, which I don't know, I'm not sure about doing that, because the pool is gonna get all messed up. Okay, so here's the patio, brick patio, the poolside. Tried to not do this, but the customer went ahead and told me to go ahead and do it, even though I'm gonna make a mess out of it. So well, that's what we're gonna do. I already did the concrete section here with the surface cleaner, and I'm gonna be rinsing. Okay. Okay, much better. Now for this thing, it's gonna be a pain to clean. Okay, so this is completely clean now. took quite a while because it's moss, obviously.